going to start by hooking up this line to one side of your compressor. Alright, okay. Then we're going to come to here and hook it up to your air drying machine. Right here. Okay. Then we're going to take your positive and negative cable to be able to run your air drying machine to your battery. Okay? And then we're going to come off the top side of your air drying machine with another hose. Okay? And get it on there. Okay? Then we will come to the blasting machine.
We'll see. Most likely, if you're in the house where the machine's running, you're going to be wearing suits.
We will hook into the bottom valve that fits to the hose. All right. Now that's it. Now you'll take your blasting hose and you will hook it up, and it's color coded, guys. It's black, red, and blue. Coming off the machine, black, red, and blue. These are quick connects, so you color code them. Blue goes to blue. Black goes to black. And red goes to red. Very simple. Then the rest of your blasting hose goes to the bottom side of the blaster and hooks on right here. Okay? Now, once you got done with that, we're going to come back and set up the air purifying for the air helmet. Go back to the compressor. Hook it up on the other outlet. Okay? Then this will be hooked to your air purifying machine. It is right here. Okay? You will also hook up the 3/8 hose to one side for this. And then the rest of the length of the hose, need him. The air purifying machine goes to the man. Right. On the side you'll see there's another quick connect that you put it on. This is how you regulate his air control, how much he wants coming out. And that's basically the setup of an Eclipse Eco